We're now going to look at our final conclusion, summarizing the results of our inference investigation. In this section, we need to summarize the findings, which is not just the call that you made using your bootstrap confidence interval, but also the shift, the shape, the overlap, the spread, the significant features that you identified in making the call as to if one group has a higher intelligence ranking than another group of dog breeds, or if the morning is windier than the afternoon in northern Dunedin. What was all of the findings that you found in your analysis? We're going to put these into a summary, a short summary to answer the question. So we need to reiterate and answer the question from our original purpose. We also need to make sure when connecting to the purpose, we're also connecting to the research. So we can say, yes, I did find, and did I expect to find this, and why? Make sure that you are not introducing any new information. If you did not have an expectation at the beginning of your investigation, do not add one in here. You need to make sure that everything is supported with research, especially when you get onto point number 2. Who will find these results useful? Now, if you've done your purpose correctly, you should be able to look back to who you researched as to being interested in this investigation. You can put that in here along with that same research. You can then discuss how might this investigation be improved. This is connecting back to your plan where you are talking about data reliability. Can you trust where this data has come from? Could you improve this investigation by getting more current data or getting more data in general? That connects to your sampling variability of if you had a larger sample size or if you had a sample that contained a bigger range of data from the population. You need to make sure that these 3 things are not containing any new information. You should just be taking information and research from your report already. So all of the research that you add in your conclusion should be already used sources. Remember at the beginning, we talked about how many sources that you need and that you can use the same research sources throughout your report, but making sure you have at least 2 to 3 individual sources to start with. You can, of course, have more. Once you've summarized your results, that is the end of your report and you are ready to turn it in. If you have any questions, remember to ask your teacher.